LED has revolutionized the game of cinema lighting. From TV to major motion pictures, next-level cinematographers have been using LED lighting to do the unimaginable. At Aputure, we've been working non-stop with this technology, and you've seen the results. The original Lightstorm changed the game. It brought a generation of LED technology to indie filmmakers through raw affordability. But we didn't stop there. We knew we could do better. And with the help of our users, our team, we're bringing the unimaginable to you. Introducing the Lightstorm 300D. Brighter than any other in the Aputure series, the 300D is a beast of intensity. It outputs 187,000 lux at half a meter away and is comparable to a 2K tungsten. But raw strength alone isn't what makes the beast so powerful. The 300D is precise as well. Boasting a world-class CRI and TLCI rating of 97+, the 300D guarantees impeccable color quality. Never again do filmmakers have to worry about green or magenta spikes. And with a single-source chip-on-board LED and Bowens mount, never again do you have to worry about shaping your light either. Since it runs cool to the touch, virtually any Bowens mount accessory can be used to shape your light. Whether it's attached to a space light for illuminating your entire set, attached to a light dome for simulating moonlight, or attached to a Fresnel, lighting against the sun, the adaptability of the 300D makes it a strong addition to any set. But lighting shapeability isn't the only weapon that the 300D wields. With cool running LED also comes the option to use electronics, and we've taken this opportunity to revolutionize how filmmakers can work on set. The Aputure remote is a staple that we've built into our entire lighting lineup. Capable of striking, pairing, and dimming your arsenal of lights from a football field's distance, the remote gives filmmakers the freedom to control their lighting with speed and precision. With this wireless technology, creators can now dial in their vision without ever losing sight of their monitor. Now with this many features, you might think the 300D has scaled in size. But weighing in at under 5 pounds, the 300D has a smaller footprint than ever. It is less than a quarter of the weight of a traditional 2K tungsten. And in terms of size, the 300D is only 13.5 inches long, a mere 30% taller than the 120D. And with the ability to work off of 2 V-mount or gold mount batteries, the 300D is a light that isn't tied down by house power or generators either.
The 300D is the perfect light for filmmakers, and Aputure is proud to be bringing this to the indie filmmaking community, the same community that we have always made our products for. With its output, color accuracy, and incomparable design, we believe that this light fills a gap unlike any fixture before it. Powerful, precise, and with the control and adaptability to work wherever your vision takes you. I'm Ted from the A-Team, and we'll catch you guys next time.